Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something every freelancer faces, especially in the beginning, and that's being ignored. No replies, no interviews, nothing. Why do clients ignore you on Upwork? And more importantly, what can you do about it? I have gone through this myself, and today I am going to break it all down for you with real stories, honest mistakes, and today I am going to break it down it for you with real stories, honest mistakes, what I learned from falling again and again. Let's get into it. I started freelancing not because I wanted to get rich, but because I need to earn something to keep going with my 3D sculpting hobby. I knew I don't know full character design yet, but I know the retopology. So I thought, why not start small? I made some Fiverr gigs around retopology, but then I got curious and downloaded Upwork mobile app. I made a freelancer account and the app is total confusion. The interface, the offline pressure, everything overwhelmed me. So I kind of ignored it. Fiverr clients were also wasting my time. That's a separate story, but all of it added up. I realized something that I'm not ready yet. I stopped, focused, practiced sculpting hard for a few months. Then in March 2025, I made some new gigs on Fiverr again. This time, way better. One day in April, I got a notification from Upwork. Someone invited you for a retopology job. I thought it was just a spam or random, but I clicked. Someone had already invited me, and my profile, it wasn't even fully done. Weird profile picture, basic bio, no proper portfolio. Still, he hired me. I was shocked. Like, wait, is this a scam? But I did the job, charged $20, worked 3 4 hours, delivered. He accepted, gave good feedback, and just like that, I made my first $20 online. And let me tell you one thing, it felt like magic. That one moment skyrocketed my confidence. From there, everything started to shift. Now, let's talk about the real reason why clients ignored you. Here's breakdown based on my own mistakes. Low quality proposals. I will be honest, my first proposals were simple, just a short text with a portfolio link or attached image. No storytelling, no effort, no understand the client. A proposal is not a resume. It's a conversation opener. What I learned is this: custom proposals win so that you actually read the job. Don't just list skills. Explain how you will solve their problem. And most importantly, stop sending the same thing to everyone. Clients can smell copy paste from a mile away. Second, bad profile photos or bios. My old profile photo, unprofessional. My old bio, only about retopology. Today it's way better. I mentioned sculpting, retopology, and who I help. The truth is, your profile is your first impression. If it looks unfinished, clients assume your work will be the same. Fix your photo, write a clean, confident bio, and show a portfolio that matches the kind of jobs you want. Third, wrong job selection. This is where most freelancers waste money and hope. I used to apply for anything remotely related to 3D. The results, zero replies. And now I only apply to jobs I am confident about. Sculpting and retopology. That's my thing. Don't let emotions drive your proposals. Connects cost money. Use them wisely. 4. Lack of proof equal to lack of trust. Let's be real. Clients hire people they trust. If your portfolio is random or missing, they won't trust you. If your profile is empty, they won't trust you. That's why I started rebuilding my portfolio with better renders and videos. You have to give people a reason to believe in you. After that fast order, I didn't rush into sending more proposals. I leveled up, practiced sculpting every day. I made a portfolio website, cleaned up my profile because the truth is, if you are not confident in your work, why should a client be? That's the harsh truth. So now, my strategy is simple. Sculpt daily, make visible content, document my progress, build proof. You don't need 100 gigs. You just need 5 solid examples to prove your skills. Right now, I'm still in the rebuilding phase. I'm refining my portfolio, making better renders, recording my work progress. Why? Because next time I send proposals, I want the client to say, wow, this guy knows what he is doing. And when I am done, I will record an intro video for Upwork, send proposals again, and aim higher. If you are watching this and struggling, I get it. You send 10 proposals and get 0 replies. You started to think, is it me? Am I not good enough? Let me tell you this. Everyone gets ignored. Everyone gets rejected. Everyone not keeps going. Be the one who keeps going. Even if it not one tiny step every day, just keep building. I have not cracked it fully yet. I am still walking, still learning, but this is my journey. And if you are on a similar one, you are not alone. Right now, I am rebuilding my portfolio and sculpting daily. If you are on a similar path, join the journey. Subscribe, leave a comment, or just follow along. And also, I will tell you about Fiverr scams in the next video. Let's get better together. Bye.